This is the QuickVend lift system. How does it work?
Well, this is quite a unique machine. It works almost like a pick and place unit. And the good thing about this machine is its versatility. There's a mechanism in the bottom which actually collects the product. So this machine is good for heavy products or fragile products or maybe products you don't want to drop.
What, so it actually comes and collects it and do a demo?
If I demonstrate it, yeah. So insert the card. That gives you authorization to vend. Select an item. I'm going to go for 44 because that's quite a large item. With the Helix technology, this would be a hard item to control, just basically due to the physical size. So you can see from here, this is a pair of gauntlets. We encapsulate them to obviously process them. But that is obviously a challenging item in any other type of machine.
Yeah, for sure. Like, I don't know how you'd vend that. I guess it'd have to go in some sort of locker system. But equally, you see, some of these cutting tools, they're large, they're heavy, very expensive. So you could also vend cutting tools. Yeah,
we do have a smaller version of this machine, which is that one there, which is actually set up for cutting tools. Exactly the same process, just a smaller footprint.
So you could have PPE and cutting tools in the same one. Quite often we see one dedicated for PPE, one dedicated for cutting tools. But you could have one which has got your high usage PPE and your high usage cutting tools all in the same vend.
Yeah, exactly. And we're seeing more of that these days. There's such a spread of consumables within any manufacturing environment. You know, we see even batteries and print cartridges coming in now. Anything high value, high consumption.
So does this vendor have any other unique advantages?
One decent advantage on this machine is that we can use it for temperature control of items. So we did an installation in a power station where we put aerosols in, so we could actually climate control the product. We also did another installation for a PCB manufacturer that was scrapping 70% of solders due to shelf life, whereas the advantage with this machine with the temperature control and the fact that you always replenish from the back, you get the instant FIFO, first in, first out. So stock rotation is optimum, as well as the temperature control.
And as you'd expect from QuickVend systems, you've also got your software in here, so traceability, price, usage.
Exactly, we'd know exactly who had taken these gauntlets.
So would I, it's on camera.
Very good. But also we could track it to a job as well, so if a guy was working on a specific task. Yeah.
Good, many thanks.
Okay.